Hello and welcome to another ASD Tech Tips video. Today's video is going to show you how you can make a contact group for sending out information to your students or your department or grade level. First thing you need to do is go to Google and sign in. As you can see, I'm signed in as my wife Allison today, and the reasoning for that is that I have admin status and she just has staff rights. So once you're signed in, go ahead and click on Contacts up here on the top ribbon, and you're going to go to the contact page. And you might notice things like most contacted or other contact. You might have some things, but we're going to click on directory. When we click on directory, it's going to be every student and staff member in the district. So right now, this is just from here to here. So just from Aaliyah Bordoff to Amy Kupch. So there are hundreds, not hundreds, probably in the 20s of pages. So you could go through here and check off everyone in your class, but it might take a while. So what I would do is, if I knew I had a class list, so I'm going to make a tech team list. I'm just going to type in Matt. Hit enter. I'm going to click on his name. If I had any other Matts, I might check them too. And I'm going to say this. I'm going to create a new group, and I'm going to call it Tech Team. Hit OK. And Matt's in the tech team. Okay. Now up here, I'm going to search for Chris. Oh man, that's a lot of Chris's. I'm going to type in Chris K. There he is. I'm going to check his name. I'm going to add him to tech team. Okay. Type in Scott. There he is. Add him to tech team. Now this is a little bit cumbersome and it might take you a little while, but once you get your whole class in, I'm just going to do these three, they show up over here in tech team. So now here's the cool thing. If you had a Google form that you wanted to share a link to, if you went to your Google Mail and you had a link you wanted them to go to, you could just hit compose, and then in the to field, you could just type in tech team. And those are the three names. So if you had a as name, you might say, check this out. And you have a link for them to click on, like a form, and just hit send, it goes to them. That's pretty neat. So that's cool. But here's the best thing. If I'm in my drive, and let's say I have a document, call it test document, with important information, right? Now if I click on share over here, I can say, hey, I want tech team to only have viewing rights of this document, and I hit share and save, and they got it. So that being said, I'm well aware that this part is time consuming, but once you have your class in here, the ability to share to that group in a quick manner is awesome. I would probably create a class for every hour that I teach or every group that I'm going to share with. Once it's there, you easily can share or distribute things via Gmail or via Google Docs, or your Google Drive, I mean. So, pretty cool way to do things. If you have any questions about setting up contact groups, I would love to help. Or you could check with your local LMS, as they would be glad to help you as well. Thank you and have a great day.